Song starting with the first alphabet of your name, Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, I will go out of there, and from here you have to click and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And from here you have to click to viral now from highlights and click until you find the desired sticker. And here, as you can see, you will only find viral trends and viral stickers. So click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Song starting with the first alphabet of your name. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on this button, then you can go to the first pinned comment where I put a video which says what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So first of all, from here we have to go to uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this one, is just an example for you guys. And from here you have to go to the sticker, go to music, and you can type in your name or the first letters of your name. So I can go with this second song, All I Want Is You. And from here you have to click on done, which is at the right top corner. Place the song where you want, and you can do the same thing with the sticker. So from here you have to click on the send to button, then click share to your story, and then hit on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.